Are you looking for the best mechanical pocket watches? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mechanical pocket watches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VIGOROSO Mechanical Bronze Pocket Watch. The VIGOROSO Vintage Pocket Watch offers a classic Roman numeral dial that adds a touch of elegance and makes it easy for you to read the time. Its 12.5-inch chain ensures you can wear it comfortably and access it quickly, whether you're dressed up or keeping it casual. The flower-shaped skeleton cover not only looks beautiful but also lets you see the time without opening the watch, giving you convenience and style. Plus, the dual-sided transparent design lets you admire the intricate gears from both front and back, making it a fascinating piece for anyone who appreciates mechanical craftsmanship. What we like: elegant Roman numeral dial, comfortable 12.5-inch chain, flower-shaped skeleton cover, dual-sided transparent gear display, battery-free manual winding. Number 2. VIGOROSO Tourbillon Mechanical Pocket Watch. The VIGOROSO Tourbillon Pocket Watch is a beautifully crafted timepiece that combines luxury and precision. Its elegant gold or silver case features crystal accents that add both style and a satisfying weight, perfect for those who appreciate quality and design. The unique day and moon phase display offers a poetic way to track time, showing the sun and moon's movement over a 24-hour cycle, which adds charm and helps you stay connected to the natural rhythm of the day. Powered by a reliable mechanical movement with manual winding, this watch provides a 48-hour power reserve, giving you dependable timekeeping without needing a battery. The included steel chain is both sturdy and stylish, ensuring the watch fits comfortably and looks great wherever you go. What we like: luxury tourbillon design, day and moon phase display, accurate mechanical movement, 48-hour power reserve, durable steel chain. Number 3. Alwesam Mechanical Hand-Wind Pocket Watch Bronze. The Alwesam Mechanical Pocket Watch offers a classic hand-wound movement that requires no battery, giving you the charm of a vintage timepiece with modern convenience. You simply twist the top button to wind it for up to 24 hours of use, ensuring reliable timekeeping. Its luminous Arabic numerals glow after exposure to light, making it easy to read in the dark. The watch features a clear 12-hour dial with a 60-minute marker, designed to provide an elegant yet practical look. Plus, it comes with a removable chain, so you can carry it comfortably in your pocket or attach it to your outfit for a stylish touch. What we like: hand-wound mechanical movement, luminous Arabic numerals, removable chain included, vintage and stylish design. Number 4. VIGOROSO Vintage Skeleton Mechanical Pocket Watch. The VIGOROSO Skeleton Pocket Watch offers a classic Roman numeral dial that adds a touch of vintage elegance, making it easy for you to read the time with style. Its open-face design reveals the intricate inner gears, so you can appreciate the mechanical craftsmanship every time you check the watch. This watch is manually wound, meaning you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. Just wind it up to keep it running smoothly for about 24 hours. Thanks to its precise mechanical movement, you can rely on it to keep accurate time, all while enjoying the hands-on experience of traditional watchmaking. What we like: Roman numeral dial, open-face skeleton design, manual hand-wind operation, accurate mechanical movement. Number 5. Realpoo Silvery Shield Quartz Pocket Watch. The Realpoo Quartz Pocket Watch offers a clear white dial with easy-to-read Arabic numerals and hands, helping you quickly check the time. Its 1.81-inch case is a comfortable size to carry, while the 14-inch detachable chain lets you easily attach or remove the watch, making it both stylish and practical. The quartz movement ensures precise timekeeping without the need for winding, so you can rely on accurate timing with minimal upkeep. Plus, it includes an extra quartz movement for easy replacement, giving you added convenience and long-term use. What we like: easy-to-read dial, detachable chain, accurate quartz movement, lightweight design, includes replacement movement.